We absolutely love this baby hand and footprint kit. My husband actually got me one when our oldest was born, and it meant so much to me that as soon as we got pregnant with baby girl number 2, I made sure to add another one to our registry. The quick dry clay is easy to work with, soft enough to get a good footprint without struggling, but firm enough to keep all the little details once it dries. I also love that it works for pet paws too, if you want to include the furry siblings. The frame in alpine white looks so clean and modern, and it makes the perfect little keepsake. Everything you need comes in the box, and the layout with the photo on the side and the imprint on the other turned out so cute every time. It's the kind of thing you'll be so glad you made later on, a super sweet memory you can hang in the nursery or give as a gift. If you're expecting or know someone who is, this footprint kit is honestly one of the best sentimental keepsakes you can give.